Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing how to use the Fibonacci spiral in Forex trading. Okay, the Fibonacci spiral is based on the Fibonacci sequence and is sometimes used by traders to visualize potential market rhythm and turning points. While it is less common than the Fibonacci retracement, right? Of course, Fibonacci retracement is one of the most common Fibonacci tool, right? The spiral can still help traders observe how price movements expand over time, right? So the first step is to understand the Fibonacci concept, right? The Fibonacci sequence is a mathematical pattern where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers, all right? Ratios derived from this sequence are often used in technical analysis, right? So the Fibonacci spiral visually represents how these ratios expand outward. Now, let's talk about applying Fibonacci tools on the charts, right? On MT4 or MT5, traders typically use the Fibonacci retracement or the Fibonacci arcs, all right, which relates to the same mathematical concept. Okay. I'm just trying to change this color. All right. So to apply it, like I did, just go to insert, you go to Fibonacci. Then if you want to use the retracement or the arc or whichever of these options available on MT4, you can just proceed to do that. Okay. And then you draw from a significant swing low to a swing high in an uptrend, or the opposite in a downtrend. All right. Now the third step is to observe your market reactions. Price sometimes react around Fibonacci levels such as the 38.2%, the 50%, or the 61.8%. All right, these levels can act as areas where traders watch for potential continuation or reversal. All right, and then it's important that you combine with other tools. The Fibonacci concept works best when combined with support and resistance, trend lines, candlestick patterns, and all of that. All right, so to use Fibonacci concepts in trading, you need to identify major swing highs and lows. All right, apply your Fibonacci tools on the chart and then watch how price reacts near key ratios. Okay. And don't forget to combine with other technical analysis tools, all right? If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on your notifications as well so you don't miss out on more valuable content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.